Not all soak tanks are created equal. Let's compare the outdated fog tank to the next generation Decarbonator. They may look similar, but the Decarbonator has been intentionally re-engineered with 18 smarter design improvements. From the lid down, design differences are easy to spot. The Decarbonator lid at double the thickness is completely flat, with a full-length, dropped handle that lets steam escape safely when opening. It provides an extra work surface, is safer to lift, and better insulated to retain heat and reduce energy waste. In contrast, the fog tank's narrow, raised handle keeps arms directly in the steam path, increasing the risk of dangerously scalding burns. Heat escapes easily through the thinner inset lid, which also sits unevenly due to the surface-mounted handle and pillar hinges. The seam-welded lid can also split open. That means less insulation, less efficiency, and more energy wasted. The Decarbonator uses color-coded switches, easy to understand at a glance. The fog tank, 2 identical red switches, and fading labels make it easy to get confused. From the back, major differences stand out. The Decarbonator uses friction hinges located at the back, fully replaceable, that open slowly with no slamming and no steam blasts. The fog tank, surface mount pillar hinges that snap easily and drop hard. And if the system overloads, the Decarbonator resets in minutes. No tools, no technician. The fog tank, no reset, just downtime. Inside the tank, the lifting basket is everything. The Decarbonator's basket is heavy-duty, level, and easy to grip, even with gloves. It slides smoothly into 10 times wider locating brackets, so positioning is quick, even when the water is murky. A relief bend on the basket arm lets it slide smoothly into place, while a full-length stiffening flange keeps it rigid and stable. And thanks to a raised internal shelf, the basket stays level, above the sludge that settles in the base. The fog tank, flimsy basket, tiny pins, handles often submerged in hot water. Additional key design details inside make a difference. The Decarbonator uses a debossed H2O fill line. It won't fade or disappear, even with limescale buildup. The fog tank? A faint etched line that's easy to miss, and even easier to lose over time. Add to that a heavy-duty gasket and a built-in condensate trough for better heat retention and cleaner operation. Lid hinges matter. The fog tank lid opens less, limiting access. Large items may not fit at all. The Decarbonator opens wide. Full access, no restrictions. Both systems offer 5 sizes, but the similarities end there. The fog tank tops out at 126 gallons, with no support for heavy lifting. The Decarbonator up to 500 gallons, with hoist-ready models that handle full baking racks. Lifting heavy equipment out of hot water isn't easy or safe. That's why every Decarbonator 85 gal and up is hoist-ready, for safer, one-person lifting. The fog tank, no hoist, no support. Where's the competition? Faded by comparison. Stronger, smarter, safer. Scan to watch the full comparison. The Decarbonator.